Hi, this is Dr. Don. I want to talk a few minutes about RStudio cloud plans, and I guess you know that's going to be POSIT cloud. I think now it's changing pretty soon. But anyway, nothing effectively is going to change for us. If you look inside your workspace once you've signed in, if you look up here in your account, you can see in this account I've got the cloud free plan, which gives me the 25 hours per month, per calendar month. Every 30 days it'll roll over. If you run out of time, which I did in another account, what you need to do is, I think the easiest way, if you can afford $5 a month, is to upgrade from your cloud free plan. And you can do that this way here in your account. I'm going to click on these little hamburger there, navigation sidebar. It shows it, and it shows this information. If I scroll down here at the bottom, it's got plans and pricings. So I'll just click on that. You can see I've got cloud free. This is my current plan. And here it just says, if you need additional time, consider our plus plan, which is $5 a month, 75 project hours, which should be plenty for just about anybody. And all you've got to do is to click this to plus, click on that right there, and it'll move this over to the plus plan, and then it'll walk you through giving it your credit card, of course, so that you can pay them the $5 a month. But that's really all you have to do. And once you do that, you're set up, and everything just continues as it was. It is a bit simpler and faster and easier than going to desktop, though I do recommend, if you really like RStudio, to get the desktop version, because that's totally free with unlimited hours and unlimited projects. So one other thing, when you end up the course, if you don't want to keep the plus plan, all you've got to do is navigate back here and move this button away from the plus, and it will change to say you're in cloud free and they won't bill you anymore. So I hope this helps.